Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you exactly how to clean the speaker on your Alcatel 1B 2020 phone. It is a very simple process, and I will walk you through the steps. We need a brush with flexible bristles for this. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt, and then it will evaporate without leaving a trace. You can buy such a kit on Allegro or Amazon. Regardless of what is written on it, if it looks similar, the packaging is the same. If you can't get one, you can just use a toothbrush, but make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. You must have the phone turned off. We never clean it while it's turned on. We spray the toothbrush with alcohol. If you simply don't have a diffuser, you can use a regular small container and just dip the toothbrush into the container with alcohol. First we take the phone, then carefully turn it to the side. We hold it firmly with 2 fingers. And finally we clean the speaker area with a gentle, consistent sweeping motion to remove any debris. We perform 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, so that the dirt simply comes out of the speaker opening. After 15 times, we simply change direction to the other side and again use sweeping motions 10 to 15 times to finish cleaning the speaker. After the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and then we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.